Hello, Reynaldo. For this goal number 1, you're going to be working on main idea. So Reynaldo will write 3 to 4 complete sentences about the main idea of the story. So this is going to be your short story. It's the short story number 4, your 4th story in your IEP goal number 1. So it is titled The Lion and the Mouse. Reynaldo can read the story 3 to 4 times with help, and then he's going to write 3 to 4 complete sentences. For goal number 2, Reynaldo will answer open-ended questions by formulating grammatically correct sentences with the appropriate use of capitalization rules, first letter of a sentence, months, days, proper nouns, places, titles, and organizations. So let's move on to your worksheet number 4. It is named Scotty's Castle. So in this worksheet, you are going to look for capitalization. First letter of a sentence, like Scotty's. I see California. Remember, California is a state, so a state goes capitalized like Texas. So you're going to continue looking for all the mistakes in this worksheet. And this is going to be your goal number 2. Thank you.